Camping is one of the best ways to reconnect with nature, unwind from the hustle and bustle of daily life, and create unforgettable memories with friends and family. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie planning your first outdoor adventure, having a comprehensive packing list is essential for a successful and enjoyable trip. Here's the ultimate packing list to ensure you have everything you need for your camping adventure. 1. Shelter and sleep essentials. Tent. Choose a tent suitable for the number of campers and the weather conditions. Make sure it's easy to set up and durable. Tent footprint. A ground tarp or tent footprint protects the bottom of your tent from wear and moisture. Tent stakes and mallet. Secure your tent with stakes and use a mallet to drive them into the ground. Sleeping gear. Sleeping bag. Select a sleeping bag rated for the lowest temperature you expect. Down bags are lightweight, while synthetic bags handle moisture better. Sleeping pad or air mattress provides insulation and cushioning for a good night's sleep. Pillow. A small, packable pillow or a stuffed sack filled with clothes can serve as a pillow. 2. Cooking and food supplies. Cooking equipment, camping stove. A portable camping stove or a portable grill for cooking meals. Fuel. Bring enough fuel for your stove or grill. Cookware, pots, pans, and a kettle for boiling water. Opt for lightweight, stackable options. Utensils, spatula, tongs, and a ladle for cooking. Plates, bowls, and cutlery for eating. Cooler. A high-quality cooler to keep perishable food items fresh. Food and drinks, non-perishable foods, canned goods, dried fruits, nuts, granola bars, and other non-perishable items. Perishable foods, fresh fruits, vegetables, meats, and dairy products kept in the cooler. Water. Ample drinking water or a water filtration system if you plan to source water from natural bodies. Snacks. Easy to grab snacks for hiking and day trips. 3. Clothing and footwear. Clothing. Layers. Dress in layers to adjust to changing weather conditions. Include moisture-wicking base layers, insulating mid-layers, and waterproof outer layers. Rain gear. A waterproof jacket and pants to stay dry in wet conditions. Hats and gloves for sun protection and warmth. Sleepwear. Comfortable clothing for sleeping, footwear, hiking boots. Sturdy, comfortable hiking boots for trails. Camp shoes. Lightweight, easy-to-wear shoes for around the campsite. Alright, let's talk about personal items and toiletries. You'll need the basics. A toothbrush, toothpaste, biodegradable soap, hand sanitizer, and of course a towel. Don't forget a well-stocked first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications you might need. Oh, and insect repellent is a must to protect yourself from bugs and ticks. And finally, make sure to bring high SPF sunscreen to protect your skin from those harsh UV rays. Tools and gadgets. Multi-tool. A versatile multi-tool for various campsite tasks. Flashlights and headlamps. For navigating the campsite at night, don't forget to bring extra batteries. Navigation tools, maps, compass, and a GPS device to stay on track. Fire starters, matches, lighters, and fire starters for campfires. And of course, rope and bungee cords for securing gear and creating clotheslines. Entertainment and extras, books and games. For downtime at the campsite, binoculars for wildlife watching, a camera to capture your adventure, camping chairs and table for comfortable seating and dining, and lastly, a portable charger to keep your electronics powered. Safety and survival gear, an emergency whistle to signal for help if needed, an emergency blanket for warmth in case of an unexpected temperature drop, bear spray if you're camping in bear country, and don't forget a survival guide, a small comprehensive guide for outdoor survival tips. Packing for a camping trip can be a daunting task, but with this ultimate packing list, you'll be well prepared for any adventure. Remember to tailor the list to your specific needs and the environment you'll be exploring. Happy camping!